Hi and welcome back to Excel Web Scraper. In this video I will show you how to use the deep search function here on how to do a deep search if you're not having any luck looking for any emails. So with this example I'll just change it back to the normal search for now, which is the email and Facebook extractor. I've got a few links here that I'm just going to copy over. I'm going to paste these into here. Double click. Once you've got the tick here for the paste box, just hit paste and there they are. Okay, so I've put 10 results in and I'm going to search these, and it's not going to find any emails. This one here, ignore it, that's not an email, nor are these any emails that is pulled up. Okay, so it's not actually found any emails here. It has found some Facebook links, but it's not found any emails. So under here it's just pulled off. That is a ping, but it's got the @ sign, and that's why it's pulled it off. So there's no emails being found here. I'll just clear the results here. It's only found Facebook links. I'll just clear all the results here. Now when you do a deep search and you change it to here, okay, and that's what the title states now, deep search extractor, it will create variations of each URL that you've got here, and it will create 6 variations. So the 10 will quite quickly become 60. If I was to put 100 URLs in here, then it will create 6 variations of the first one, 6 of the second, and 6 of the third one, and so forth. And if I put 100 in here, the 100 will quickly become 600. So I tend to use deep search as the last resort. These are the variations that it will create. If I just come down here, so say settings for deep search and for auto trader, here it will create a contact us page, a contact page, a contact us page, a contact us with a hyphen in it. Okay, so there's a hyphen, a team page, a meet the team, and meet the team with hyphen. You can delete these out and type whatever you want to type in. Just hit save on the way out, and then it will create a variation of that. If you leave it blank, then it will create a blank variation, but it will always create 6 variations. I'm just going to reset this. I'll just locate and I'll save it on the way out. So these are the 6 variations that it will create for me, and then it will look on these pages for each one of these. I'll just save this on the way out as I did make changes. So this was the original search I did, which was the email and Facebook extractor search. I will now go onto the deep search, and that's what the title states here. So put your URLs in as I have. Hit start, and here you can see, before I hit the start, and that's the option I'm going to choose, which was the email and Facebook search, as that was the original search that I did. You can see here for auto trader it's created a contact page, a contact us with a hyphen, auto trader, meet the team, and then you've got meet the team here with the hyphens at the bottom as well. If I just close this and just scroll up, here it is, meet the team, and with the hyphens in it. I will just open this up again. This time around when I do a search, it will visit these pages, so the 10 URLs have quickly become 60. So if there's 100 in here, this will change to 600. And I will select the first option, as that was what I did the first time around, and then let it just do the search. And now you can see it's finding the emails on the contact page and meet the team page. It will delete any duplicate emails, so there's quite a few it's found for auto trader, but they're all duplicates. And now it's working its way through, and you can see it's finding the emails through the deep search. As the emails were not on the home page, but they were on the pages that the variations have been created. And this is where deep search can come in handy, but it will multiply whatever you put in by 6, and it will then create more URLs for you to search for. So some of these emails sit on the contact us page, and some are with contact us with hyphen, and so forth. And there is found the results for me. Just okay this, and it's found a few emails, whereas previously when I did the search it found no emails for me. And that pretty much concludes today's video on how to do a deep search on Excel web scraper. If you're interested in this application, please visit us on excelwebscraper.com. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching this video.